There are 5 projects your business software will never touch, no matter how much you pay for it. They are the exact 5 that keep landing back on your desk. And Claude can do every one. Most owners try to fix this by building bigger, more complex automations. But no matter how complex it gets, automation still just follows the rules. Your CRM, your Zapier, Make, whatever you have set up, all of it. Send this reminder, book that slot, fire this sequence, but the stuff actually keeps piling up on you? Well, that was never the rules. It is the work that takes real judgment. And automation, hey, can't do that. So here's one. So you know I am not just talking in circles here. Open Claude, paste in that contract that you keep meaning to get to, the one that's been sitting there bugging you, and it will tell you in plain English what to watch for before you sign. That is one of the 5 here today I'm going to share with you. The other 4 are just as good, and I promise one of them is going to hit a little too close to home, but by the end, you'll know exactly which one to hand off first. And the best part, there is nothing to set up. It's just Claude, good old Claude, the same one you already use. You paste the thing in or upload it, and it goes to work. So let's get into it. Number 1, and it might be the biggest time saver on this entire list, turning a mess into a finished draft. Your CRM can send reminders about a meeting, but what it cannot do is sit through the hour-long call, read your notes, and turn them into a clean summary and the proposal that you owe the client. Claude takes that pile of raw notes and hands you back the draft, ready to edit. That one can save you a whole afternoon. And the second one, it comes up for you constantly. You already know this one. One honest note here, since you are pasting real business information in, use the same judgment that you would use with anything online, and don't paste what you would never want leaving your business. But this is about as low risk as AI gets, because Claude is not plugging into your systems or acting on your behalf. Yes, there are options for that, but it is only reading what you choose to hand it and nothing more. So number 2 here, the reply you actually have to sit and think about. Your autoresponder can fire off a canned message, sure, but that is not the email stressing you out, actually. The one stressing you out is the tricky client, the sensitive negotiation, the message where the exact wording really matters. Claude reads that specific email, gets what it's actually being asked, and drafts a real answer in your voice for you to approve or edit. Not a template here, a real thought-through reply. And number 3, this is interesting. This is the one you never quite find time for, right? Number 3 is the one I teased with at the top here. Reading the thing you kept meaning to get to, the one that never quite makes it to the top of the pile. The contract, sure, but also that long proposal, the dense report that has been sitting in your inbox since last Tuesday. No CRM reads a document. No automation catches what is buried inside it. But Claude reads the whole thing, pulls out the terms that matter, flags the parts worth a second look, and hands you the plain English version, so you know exactly what you are agreeing to before you then sign. And number 4, that is the one that really matters when the choice is expensive. See, number 4 is about making the call when you got too many options going on, 2 proposals that both look solid, 3 software tools that all promise the same thing, a short list of vendors that all look about the same on paper. You could dig into everything here, figure out the best one. Of course you could, but you just do not have the afternoon. So it sits and you make a quick call and move on. Claude does the legwork for you. It reads all of them, lays the real differences side by side, the price, the fine print, what you actually get, and hands you a clear comparison with its own recommendations, so you can make the call in minutes, instead of dragging it on for another week. And the last one, it's the tedious one nobody signed up for. Number 5, cleaning up the messy data. Wow, do we know about this one. Duplicate rows, mismatched formats, 2 lists that really should be 1. Your automations move data from app to app just fine, like we said up top, but this is the messy sorting out underneath. The part that needs a careful eye, and it always lands on you. Claude takes that mess, sorts it out, reconciles it, and hands it back clean and usable. It is not glamorous, which is exactly why it should not be you doing it. So look at what those 5 have in common. Not one of them is a rule. Everyone needs a judgment, a decision, a read of something messy. That is the line. Your CRM and your automations own the rules. Claude owns the thinking. And the thinking was always the part that wore you down, not the reminders. I've been doing this 25 years, and the reminders were never what held anyone back. So here's the thing. Do not overthink it. Pick the one of this list that hits closest to home, that contract that you keep meaning to get to, the messy list, the reply that's been hanging over you. You know the one. Hand Claude just that one to start. Open it up, paste the thing in, and watch what it does. Every one of these you take off your plate is time and headspace you get back for the work only you can do. So pick your one and go. Thanks for watching. Give me a like if you like this video, and I'll talk to you soon.